Hello everyone, I welcome everyone for this wonderful course on complete programming on Renesas RL78 series microcontroller. So this video will guide you step by step what you are going to learn and what are all the little things that you will get practiced to in the RL78 series microcontroller. So carefully watch this video and enroll in this course so that you will gain a full-fledged knowledge on RL78 series Renesas microcontroller. So Renesas is now one of the popular silicon vendor who is supplying microcontrollers for major OEMs around the globe. So this Renesas microcontrollers are most widely used by top OEMs in automotive industries, automation industry, etc. So they have a very wide spread of standard as well as non-standard microcontrollers around the market, so that you can choose the required spec of microcontroller as per your need. That is, if you want an automotive grade microcontroller, they have it. If you want an industrial grade, they have it. So this made this Renesas controller more powerful in the industry, and majorly automotive industry is using this Renesas microcontroller. And the particular microcontroller that we are going to learn throughout this course is the RL78 series microcontroller. So this is a industrial, commercial and application grade controller. So this particular RL78 series microcontroller comes under industrial, standard as well as consumer electronics based microcontroller. So there are three standards of RL78 series microcontroller. So if you refer the user manual of the microcontroller, you will get all these details. With the part number of the microcontroller itself, you will be able to differentiate the standard of microcontroller and the capability of microcontroller. So this course acts as a bridge for you for learning RL78 series microcontroller, and also CubeSuit tool, which helps you to generate and write your own application driver for the RL78 series microcontroller. So as usual, we will be starting from introduction to the course and hardware and software components used. So I will be describing in detail about the hardware and software components that is used throughout this course, and you will gain some knowledge on what is the hardware that is used in this course. I will be using an Renesas based development board from the Renesas company itself. So I will describe that board, and if you are interested in making or working on your custom made board of RL78 series or any other series of Renesas controller, you can take up this course, so that this will guide you step by step process of generating base drivers as well as building your application drivers from that base drivers generated in CubeSuit plus IDE. So I will guide you step by step procedure of doing all those things. So by the end of this course, you will be able to write down your own application program for Renesas series microcontroller, particularly this RL78 series microcontroller. And I will be explaining about the RL78 microcontroller architecture that we are going to work on, and some basic C programming techniques for setting and clearing register bits, and we will do some simple exercise of LED interfacing, 7 segment LCD interfacing, push button interfacing, and we will learn some debug features, and moreover all the features of the IDE provided by Renesas company. And we will demonstrate the external interrupt, timer interrupt, PWM generation, ADC. We will be trying to fetch some analog voltage values, analog DC voltage values with the help of ADC available in the microcontroller, interfacing and variable resistor with the controller, and we will try to establish one serial communication, UART communication in the microcontroller. And also, if time permits, I will also make additional update to the course such as I2C and SPI, and that we will see later. For now, I have framed this so that based out of this, you will be able to interface various other devices to the same microcontroller series. So I hope this course will be helpful for you. If you are seeing this course is suitable for you, just Join this course and enjoy learning.